Welcome to this video of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. I am Dave.
And obviously I'm Wally.
Okay, Wally, what are we doing today?
So today we're talking about our GAF low-rise foam adhesive M canister, which is a lot of letters, but we're going to kind of go over what's in the box, how to hook these up, and we have other videos we're actually going to show how to install bead and fleeceback material.
Excellent.
So obviously in the real world, these are going to come inside of a box, okay?
Yes.
So you want to go over to the audience a few things that when guys are using these, what really needs to be aware of when they're installing this on a roof?
Sure. These things shall be stored at 70 to 90 degrees. Okay? They're about 40 some pounds a piece. The application temperature is 40 on up.
So if you have them stored at 70, room temperature 70, 90 degrees, the material, if it's 50 degrees outside, this material has to be at room temperature as you're applying it, right? So you got to bring it up as you're using it.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
You're not going to be storing this on a roof in fall or definitely not winter.
And everything has to be 40 degrees,
40
and
degrees
rising.
and rising. That
And
doesn't
rising.
mean at noon. That means when you start work that day.
Right.
Correct? Okay.
So the coverage rate, when you're doing the beads, okay, it's 35 squares at 12 inches on center.
So beads, you mean when you're doing board to board, insulation
board.
to insulation. What
Right.
about if you're going to do this, this is made for a fleeceback membrane.
Correct.
What's the coverage on that for fleeceback?
24 squares.
24 squares, approximately.
Spatter.
Spatter
Yes.
pattern. Spatter.
Exactly.
So we have two boxes. We have an A box and we have a B box. So obviously one's red and one blue. In the A box, other than the canister,
Right.
what you're going to have in here, you're going to have application instructions, which covers pretty much anything you would need to know.
That always helps.
You're going to have your hose kit and your gun kit.
Right.
So we have two different hoses here, Dave. Do you want to explain to everybody where these hoses, what canister they go to? We have one with a blue marking on it, and we have one with which is clear,
The blue marking goes on the B.
which would be the blue,
Right here.
which also has the blue sticker here.
Yeah.
And the clear is going to go to the A.
Correct.
What happens if you mix them up?
That's a great question.
Probably not going to work.
Probably not.
Yeah. We have tips.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, 4 tips come with each canister come in the A box.
Right.
You can order more tips, but basically what you're going to get, all you're going to get is 4 in the A box. Okay. We also have a handy dandy wrench kit here, so when these hoses get attached, which we're going to show in another video how to attach this. Attach it here. We supply a little wrench, supply some little neon gloves. So
Right. And there's some jelly in there too?
yeah, Vaseline. So when you're changing tips or storing it, you can actually put a little Vaseline on there.
Perfect.
So how long, if guys are using this, Dave, say a guy's spraying and he's got to wait for a guy to cut. How
Right.
long can you spray before you have to put a new tip on?
You know, you have to purge.
Okay.
Okay. So if you just stand there and wait 5 minutes and you got to put a new tip on. But if you purge about every minute, just a little.
Just have something so you're constantly keeping
right.
the adhesive going through there.
So both are going through the gun.
So Dave, there's the advantages of this tip here versus the other products that are out there. You have to, if you're doing insulation board, for instance, you have to use a certain tip. And if you're doing spatter membrane, you have to use another tip. Advantage of this, we have one tip, does it both.
Right.
So there's a little plug in here. Make sure when guys get this, take the plug out before you use it, because if you don't take the plug out, you're gonna have issues. But it helps keep that. There's a little O-ring in there. That's another feature of it. It keeps that O-ring in place when you install it on the gun. The other advantage of this tip, you want to explain the advantage of this versus the others?
The whole thing with this tip is put it in, lock it in place on the gun. All right. When you turn the barrel like this, okay, now that's for spatter. Turn it back this way is for beads.
Yeah, you're turning the barrel, not the tip. That tip's not going to move.
Nope. Got to turn the barrel.
Again, that's another advantage of this product over other material out there. Well, stay tuned. We're going to, in our next video, we're going to actually show you how to connect these. We're actually be spraying some fleeceback and some board.